Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.
Shabale. Once there was a sage whose name was Vasishta. He lived in a forest. Vasishta had a cow by name Shabale, also known as Nandini, daughter of Kamadhenu, the heavenly cow. Whenever Vasishta asked her for anything such as food, drink, or clothes, she would give them to him. Both of them lived happily in the forest. One day, Kaushika, a powerful king, and his soldiers came to the forest. They were hunting. They saw a small hut and decided to rest there for some time. When they came near the hut, Vasishta greeted Kaushika and his men. He prayed to Shabale to give his guest a tasty meal. In minutes, Shabale gave them a tasty meal. Kaushika was impressed by Shabale's special gift. He wanted to take Shabale to his palace. So Kaushika asked Vasishta to give Shabale to him in exchange for 10,000 cows. But Vasishta refused. Kaushika even offered his entire kingdom and asked for Shabale, but Vasishta still refused. He said Shabale belongs to the gods and goddesses, and she should not be misused. Kaushika decided to take Shabale by force. He put a rope around Shabale's neck and dragged her, but she was not willing to go with the king. Shabale saw her master's helplessness. She decided to teach Kaushika a lesson. She freed herself, ran, and stood next to Vasishta. She underwent an amazing change. Fire gushed out of her eyes. Her head and neck grew larger. Balls of fire came out from her tail. Many soldiers came out from her mouth, udder, and her sides. These soldiers chased Kaushika and his men out of the ashram, but they did not kill anyone. Kaushika realized that he was not powerful enough and could not win anything by force. He left his kingdom and went into the forest to become a sage. After many years of prayer and meditation, he became a true sage and came to be called Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra means the friend of the world.